I think people's naive when the universal credit did come out, as you say, when they were getting a lump sum. I didn't know when I got that. I didn't know that had to do me for a certain time. Do you know what I mean? And I was shocked because I was left skint. I had no money, and they were taking that money back off me. And if I'd have known at that time, I would never have took it. Do you know what I mean? Everybody thought they were having a, oh, brilliant, I'm getting this here, a few £100.
So what advice on that subject then, you know, about the big loans, what advice would you give to somebody else when starting universal credit?
If they are asking for loans or whatever, to ask them what way it works and how it's going to be taken out of their money every month or every fortnight, whenever they get paid. Just ask them what way that the system is going to be working.
The lump sum payment referred to in this example is actually called an advanced payment. An advanced payment is a loan of your entitlement to universal credit and is available to you during the first 5 weeks of a universal credit claim when you're waiting for your actual first universal credit payment. The advance payment is a loan, and this means it does have to be repaid, and the normal repayment schedule is 12 months. An advance payment is repaid through deductions from your universal credit. So you do need to carefully consider if an advance payment is for you, because for the first year of your claim, you can be paying back an advance payment. It's also really important to note that you don't have to take the full amount of the advance payment that's offered to you. The amount of the advance payment will be based on your individual circumstances and your maximum universal credit award. That will vary depending on the claim, depending on your circumstances and who is in your household. You can, however, elect just to take half of that or even less if that suits your circumstances. In Northern Ireland, not everybody does have to take an advance payment. There is the option of getting support through the Universal Credit Contingency Fund. The huge advantage of the Contingency Fund is that it is the payment of a grant, and this means it does not have to be paid back. There are, however, some additional eligibility criteria which need to be met in order to get support through the Contingency Fund. And these eligibility criteria are not present when you're trying to get help through an advance payment. So, for example, to get help through the Contingency Fund, you do need to show that you are in an extreme, exceptional, or crisis situation which places you or your immediate family's health, safety, or well-being at a significant risk. There is also an annual income threshold. So the annual income of you and your partner must not exceed £20,849.40. It is really worth exploring whether or not you would be eligible for the Universal Credit Contingency Fund before accepting your advance payment. This will mean that you start your universal credit claim whilst not in debt, and you won't have those deductions happening for several months from your universal credit claim. Information on accessing the Contingency Fund should be made available in your journal, but you can contact the financial support team within the Department for Communities or speak to your local advice centre, including Law Centre NI, and we'll be able to talk you through the process.